Hi, I'm edA-qa. I'm an animation and graphics programmer, and I'm having fun with Adobe After Effects expressions. I may not be a motion graphic designer, but I do know code, and I want to show you all sorts of cool things you can do with expressions. This class extends on the text revealing we did in the last one. We're going to add a ball rolling over the text. It may not sound like much, but there are some tricky parts to it. You'll see how to reuse that dummy animation from before, and how to get the ball rolling across the screen correctly. There is a bit more math this time, but I'll explain all the bits as we go. You should be able to use this in your own project. Alright, let's get started.